I'm sorry.
Come on. Okay? You don't have to be sorry. It is called outburst of emotions. It happens to me too.
But it made me appear cheap.
Shh. Don't say that again. You're not cheap.
But what if I get pregnant?
What makes you think I cannot take care of pregnancy?
That's not what I'm saying. Exactly.
It is not a mistake. Stop feeling guilty. We're adults, you know. Ain't we? Ain't we adults?
This is so nice. I wonder who's getting married. Wow. Right?
Will you? Will you marry me?
Oh my goodness. Ah, yes. Oh yes, I'll marry you. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know I am the one. Thank you.
That was awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Congratulations, son.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
Ah, wonderful. Yes. Bella,
Sir.
now you have to cut the engagement cake.
Oh, with all pleasure.
And son, you have to support her.
Definitely, Dad. Definitely, Dad.
I'm so excited.
Dad, too. Go ahead.
Now I'm going to spare love.
Yes. No.
Yeah? For you to cut the cake.
Okay.
L O V and E. Congrats. Congrats.
Ooh.
Congrats.
It's time for lunch. I did it. I did it. Get the dining ready.
Yes, sir.
Good. Because I'm famished. Oh, Dad. But are we not forgetting something?
What are we forgetting, Dad?
The toast!
Woo! Okay, let's do this. Like it, right?
Thank you. I love it.
Love birds. Good.
Wow, it's remaining wide.
Dad. Yes.
Dad, I should be doing this for you, Dad. I should be doing this for you, Dad.
You are the celebrant of the day. Okay, which one is mine?
Dad, you have to smell it.
Okay. Yeah. So this toast is for love, wealth,
Woo!
my grandchildren,
Oh.
and long life.
Oh, Dad.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Congrats.
Woo.
Good. Love birds. This is good, man. Oh, sexy. All right.
Sweetheart, you're looking at the next bride to be. Bride to be. Bride to be. Check this out. Good news.
He proposed?
Obviously.
And so?
Girl, you should be happy for me.
I should be happy for you.
Oh, course.
Oh, come on, Bella. Just 2 weeks ago, I was happy when Oscar proposed.
Delia, don't be ridiculous. Oscar is in the past. He's a mistake that I don't want to remember.
Oh. I see. Have you told him that you're carrying another man's child?
Girl, you are evil. You're such a killjoy.
Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you.
But come to think of it, she's right. What will happen if Austin finds out that I'm carrying another man's baby? I don't want to lose him. What do I do?
As I was saying,
Okay.
next week,
We're going to see your parents for marriage preparations.
You don't say. Oh my goodness. You're such a darling.
you too.
Thank you.
I love you.
I can't wait.
Love you so much.
Love you more.
Take this.
Sister, welcome.
Thank you.
My son, you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ma.
No, Mama, but let me go inside and get ora soup with fufu for you.
Mama, cello. Now your ora soup can wait. I know that na the good na prepare ora soup, but wait. Oh, let me introduce our guests to you. His name is Austin. He's my Oga's son, my boss in the office. This is his son. He's also a pilot. Yes. We are planning to get married. Yes.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you, Ma.
I am beginning to think that education has turned into something else. Just last month you came here with a man called Oscar, that you two were getting married. Now it's Austin. What type of a woman are you?
Mama, I left Oscar because he was not honest.
Then this person you brought now, how long have you known him to know if he is honest or not?
Oh, please, Mama. I'm not a little girl.
But you're behaving like one. Eh? Wait a minute. Here!
Mama, what is it?
Oh, is this the reason for the urgent marriage? So you're pregnant already for me?
Mama!
Mama,
you're shouting. Stop shouting.
Chineke! Oh, I am shouting. Eh? So you're pregnant? Hey!
Please. I'm not here for this. I came to tell you that Austin and his people will be coming on Saturday to pay my bride price. Please help me tell Uncle Amaze. I will send you money tomorrow for preparation. Excuse me.
Hey! Bella! Hey.
Honey?
Yeah?
Let's go.
Why?
No problem. Let's just go, okay? Let's go.
Girl, we're planning our wedding. So, I'm so happy. So, would you be my chief bridesmaid or should I look for someone else?
Bella, why are you acting like we're in some kind of rivalry or something?
I asked you a simple question. Would you or would you not?
Bella, would you stop acting like a child, please?
I guess the answer is no.
Good.
Fine. My hubby's calling. My husband is calling me. Hey, hubby. I'm fine, thank you. Oh, okay. I'll be right there. Let me just change into something better. Okay, baby. I love you. Okay. Time to go. My husband is coming. Excuse me.
Yeah.
What's up?
There's an emergency. You see, I was called as one of the pilots traveling today to Libya to rescue some Nigerians over there.
How long will that take?
I don't know.
You don't know? What happens to the wedding?
I'm not going to die there. As soon as I come back, we'll begin with the wedding plan. Honey, come on, calm down. Okay, calm down. I understand how you feel. Everything will be okay. Well, you can stay with my dad till I come back. What do you think?
Don't stay with you. Don't stay with you.
Mommy. Come on. I understand. Okay, I'll be back soon, eh? Soon, I'll be back. At least a smile.
They go class.
So how is everything with you?
I'm trying. I thank God for everything. And I just want to say thank you for the provisions.
Oh, come on, don't mention. You said that already upstairs. It's fine.
Okay, thank you. You know, the noise in this hostel, you know, it's not allowing someone to concentrate. But I'm trying.
I know it's on you to you, but not to worry. You'll be fine. It's
okay.
always like that.
It's okay. I heard Bella is getting married.
Yeah. So she said, can we go somewhere and talk? Maybe a restaurant or a bar?
Okay.
All right, let's go. My car is over there.
You have a car now?
Well, yes, I always had a car.
Charlie, I beg off my stove for me. They cook indomie. Well, I beg. We go to burn now. I beg. Thank you. You have a car now?
I've always had a car. It's been parked in my family house.
Wow, nice one.
Let's go. And you're Indomie. What about it? Please wake up. What is it? I'm worried. Bella, you know I had a hectic day at work. Can we have this talk tomorrow morning, please?
Listen.
Wait, hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Austin will be out of town for God knows when.
And for Christ's sake, what has that got to do with me sleeping?
Let me guess. You wanted to hide the pregnancy on his neck. What do I do? Let me sleep, please. Go and fix your mess.
Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump on the hand of me, to sleep on the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Come in. Are you alright?
Sir, I've not heard from Austin in 2 weeks.
Is that why it's bothering you? They went for another assignment in South Sudan. And not to worry. They'll be back by next month.
Next month?
Yeah, I know you are terribly missing him. See, if you need anything, just come to me. Okay?
So I don't need anything. I want my Austin. Okay, sir. Let me go back to work.
It's alright. Sure. Love 110. Look who is here.
Yeah, hello, Dad. Yeah.
Welcome home, sir.
All right, Dad.
How are you?
Very well, Dad. Very well, Dad.
Good.
You're not looking bad at all.
Well, what can we do?
It's obvious that the domestic staff are taking good care of you.
Come on.
All right, Dad.
Wow, it's been a while.
I need to go and see Bella. I've really offended her greatly. I need to go and see her as it is.
Austin,
Yes, Dad.
you never told me that she was pregnant.
Pregnant?
Bella pregnant? Dad, I don't understand.
Don't tell me that you're not aware that she's pregnant.
You're getting me more confused, Dad. I don't know what you're talking about.
You can't be confused. You can only be confused if you didn't touch her.
Yes, I'm coming. Oh my goodness! Baby, you're back! Excuse me. Baby, any problem, baby?
Tell me everything I need to know. Why did you tell me about it?
Baby, I'm sorry. I wanted it to be a surprise. Yes. I'm so sorry.
We are going to see our family doctor.
What? Why?
Oh, you think this pregnancy is not yours? You think I'm carrying another man's... Excuse me.
I apologize, I'm sorry, but I know what I do. Anything it be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do.
Not again. Not again.
Hang on, I'm coming. Why is your face like this? What's wrong?
We should have used condom.
You're pregnant again?
Yes. And I'm not going to abort it this time.
Why can't you take precautionary measures? Why?
Please, don't tell me that crap.
Look, Bella, you're going to get rid of that thing.
You want me to have a second abortion in 1 month? Hell no. For God's sake, we should plan to get married and raise a home.
Listen to me, Bella. You cannot force or trick me into this. I won't do this with you. Not me, and not now. Get rid of that.
Forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love.
We need to talk now.
If it's about the pregnancy, I have made my stand clear. You are aborting it.
I will not abort it. If you know you were not ready for it, why did you get between my legs?
Oh, you now shout at me, is that it? You now raise your voice at me, Bella, that's it?
No, sweetheart, that's not it. I'm sorry, okay? I'm just upset. Sorry I raised my voice. If we're not getting married anytime soon, this pregnancy will bother me.
Why will it bother you? It is not your first, is it?
Oscar, don't make me feel bad about aborting the first.
She now calls me by my name, Oscar. Oscar.
I'm sorry. Please.
Anyways, I have somewhere to go, and it's very important that I'm there at this time. If you want to wait, when I get back, we'll see. Please.
Can I come with you?
No, you can't.
They change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, There is one thing you must do for me before you go. Show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love. Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love. If you leave me, I go die, yo. Teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Austin, has Bella not picked yet?
Dad, she hasn't picked my call. I don't understand.
Why don't you go to her house?
Dad, I've been to her house. I've been there. I knocked severally, but she refused to open the door for me. Dad, I'm confused. I feel guilty as it is.
Okay, don't worry. There are many ways to kill a bird.
Many ways to kill a bird. This bird has refused to perish.
Cause I don't know how to live without your love. Cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Now pick your call. Pick your call. I'm sorry, baby. I should have thought of a way to make up for the long distance I created between us.
It's okay. Get up. Let me get you something to eat.
No, don't worry. Maybe later. We need to go and see my parish priest for our banns of marriage.
Okay. In that case, let me change into something better.
It's okay.
Oh.
Good day, brother.
Austin, good day, father. How are you? Very well, father. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, father.
Austin,
Sir?
you here to see me?
Yes, Father. We're here to see you over our marriage ban.
Austin, your father called me a few minutes ago.
Okay.
Go home and see him. Excuse me.
Son,
Yes, Dad.
please excuse us.
Right, Dad.
Bella,
Sir.
I know you will not lie to me. Would you? Start talking.
I'm so sorry, sir. Sir, please, I'm so sorry.
I am terribly disappointed in you. Listen, son. Over the years, this family has been positively acknowledged for its good moral standards. This is because we have meticulously guarded against incursion of any negatively disposed gene into the blood of this family. So I cannot be alive and watch her bring disrepute to this noble family. Do you understand me? Good.
Baby, please. I am so sorry. Please.
Where did I go wrong? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Loving you right?
No. No, please. You don't deserve this. I am so sorry, Austin. You don't deserve this. Please forgive me. I will put my life to make things right. Please. I'm so sorry, please.
You are callous. You are heartless.
Sorry.
Don't.
Baby, please. Please, I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Please.
I apologize, I'm sorry, but I know wetin I do. Anything they be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. You scatter our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump on the hand of me, to sleep on the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without
Bella, we need.
Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love. If you leave me, I will die. Teach me how to live without your love.
Bella.
To jump on the hand of me, to sleep on the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Bella.
The intake of the poison has not really been.
Doctor, what can we do to save her life?
The only option is intrauterine fetal death.
Doctor, please. Just do anything. Anything you can to save her life, please.
Excuse me.
Can I get you something to eat? Come on, Bella. You've been like this since morning.
Delia, please. Allow me to mourn my stupidity.
Stupidity. Now listen to me, Bella. Let it be stupidity if you say it is. But let me tell you something. Don't you think karma has come to repay you?
Delia, please. Please, I'm heartbroken. Please.
Well, sorry.
Bella,
Sir.
do you think I'm going to dismiss you? Please go back to your work.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for breaking my heart.
Dahlia, how are you?
I'm fine. Where have you been?
I've been around the world and yeah. But I'm back now, you know?
Oh my goodness. But you know you're not nice. I mean, you just graduated and vanished into thin air without even letting me know where you were.
I'm
That's
so
not fair.
sorry. I'm so sorry for that, okay? See, we have a lot to talk about.
Oh, really? Yeah. So where do we sit and talk?
There's this new joint in town. I mean, we can hang out there.
Well, I don't hang out. I go on dates.
You're so funny. You never change.
You're right. I know I am funny. So let's go. I'm ready.
Okay?
Okay.
You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. I used to feel your love was real. Now I know I was your fool. You played me like a game. Now you're sorry and you're filled with shame.
So where have you been?
I've been in the West, trying to be a man. I actually engaged myself in a series of businesses and projects. Right now I have a few hotels, yes, and some restaurants, including this one.
You're kidding me, right?
I just bought it for people last week.
You're not serious, are you?
No, I'm serious.
That's great. I've always known that you would be great. I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much. What about Bella?
Well, Bella is fine. She's getting married next weekend.
Good news. To Oscar. I mean, since then?
No, no. Oscar is past tense. She's getting married to a guy called Dominic.
Oh. That's nice. Anyway, I wish her luck.
Me too. Well, I think we should drink up.
Cheers.
To good life.
Good life.
Welcome back.
So, apart from your work, what else do you do?
I see you've gotten a man for yourself. I hope he's not a married man, because you are so addicted to married men.
Excuse me. That's my fiancé you're talking to like that.
Sometimes she almost snatched my husband from me. You can ask my husband.
Can you stop this, honey?
Stop what, baby? I need to tell people like her to stop sleeping with married men.
Why are you doing this? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who is that woman?
Let's go. I want to know who that woman is and what she's talking about.
Do you want to embarrass me here too? Is that what you want? Excuse me.
Baby, please don't be like this. Are you going to allow what that woman said at the supermarket ruin our love? Our wedding is on Saturday, and the devil has come with his problems.
Now tell me, what did the devil do? Did he send you to go and sleep with another woman's husband? Did he?
Baby, please. Look at what you're saying to me. Don't you know me again? Don't you trust me? I can't do such a thing. You didn't take a jockey. Oh yes, she doesn't know what she's saying. Please, my love. I love you so much, please.
Okay, so you are welcome to my humble abode.
Nice place.
Thank you.
You got a good taste.
Really?
Yeah.
You think I do? Well, all my furnitures are bought in Nigeria. Anyway, have a seat, please.
Thank you. So tell me more about your boyfriend. He must be very proud of you.
Well, truth be told, I don't have a boyfriend. Yes, I am not lucky with men. I mean, most of them just started coming for me when they realized the daughter of whom I am.
I hope I'm not going to be seen as such.
Not at all. I mean, you are special. Kinda. So tell me, what do I offer you? I have fruit salad, I have smoothie.
No, I have to come back tomorrow for that.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to go to Samson's Lane to see my contractor.
What?
I'll see you tomorrow.
So I say thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you.
Isabella, what is going on? Eh? Where is your husband?
I don't know why he's taking time.
Do you know what? Calm down. Just take it easy.
Calm down? How can I calm down when I can't even see any of his relatives? Not his mom, his dad, even his brothers. How can I calm down?
Listen, I think you should call him on the phone.
Yeah.
Try to get him on the phone.
Who is she? And why is she calling you?
I don't know why she's calling.
You don't know, yes. Hello, Chitu, please.
Do not call this number again. Idiot.
Baby!
What is this? What did he say? Emma, where are you going?
Listen, I still do not understand what is going on here. Where is your husband and why is the wedding that is supposed to hold today not holding?
Uncle, stop!
Bella, what did you... Bella, wait. Don't do this. Just wait. What is wrong with you? What are you doing?
This is what happened.
What happened?
Uncle, Bella, you're working the situation.
I don't understand what
you're adding to this open injury.
What do you mean?
Stop!
I left the village for her wedding, only to come here and the wedding did not hold. And to make matters worse, I'm hungry. Isn't that the height of insolence and nonchalance? I'm out of this place.
You can go, Amase. Amase, you can go. Dahlia, please stop her.
Obegadia, you still haven't answered my question. I am yet to understand what is going on. Why did the young man call off the wedding? I'm waiting for an answer.
Uncle, please now, please. What is this?
I should please. Now, tell me, because I think something is really going on. You're hiding something. Didn't you people cook? Because I'm hungry. You didn't give me food. Yes. Maybe this action of yours is deliberate. You didn't cook. Eh? If you didn't cook, tell me. I will understand and go home honorably.
You can go home.
I can go.
Amase, go home. Go.
Okay. I will go to the village and tell them how it all happened.
Bella, please stop crying now, please. You can't continue like this. Listen, you go through this. It's okay. Bella. Jesus Christ. Bella, please. Okay, let's go home. Bella. Bella.
No, it's okay. Bella, it's alright. This is not the end of your life. Rather, this is the beginning of your new dawn. Mba, let's go. Mba! Bella, please. No, Mba, come, please. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Come, put your arm. I'm your mother.
I'm sorry, but I know no waiting I do. Anything they be, I did for ground. I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got the our love, you know, tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you.
Sister. Stop doing this to yourself. Please. What am I doing to myself? Where am I going to? Sister, come, let's go back home. Let us go back home, please. Let's go.
To jump on the hand of me, to sleep on the hand of me, you must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love. Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love. If you leave me, I go die. Teach me how to live without your love. To jump on the hand of me, to sleep on the hand of me, you must teach me, cause I don't know.
Yeah, who's that? Hold on, I'm coming. Shuma, come in. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Here to see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pardon my noise. Come in, sit down.
Happy birthday.
No. You remembered?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this. This is lovely. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, today is your special day. I would want you to make a request, and I'll grant it.
What do I want? Okay, yes. I want to go to the cinema. I want to see Black Panther. Please.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Then go get prepared. Let's go watch Black Panther.
Oh, thank you very much. Please sit down. I'll be with you soon. Let me just change into something better. I just want you to mind if I let you my birthday. Oh my goodness. That was such a nice movie.
Yeah.
Jeez.
You know what? I would love to watch such a movie.
I'm telling you.
More and more and more again.
Well, the message is simple.
Yeah.
It shows that we still have black superheroes.
Dahlia, I'll be nervous.
Yes, you have. And you are sleeping here tonight.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for breaking my heart.
Good morning.
What is it?
Sorry.
Why didn't you touch me last night?
Dahlia, you are special, and special women are rare. And when you see them, you respect them.
You always have your way with words. Come take me to the office.
Okay.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart.
So,
Yeah.
I will see you soon.
What do you mean you'll see me soon? I'll see you this evening.
Okay, no problem.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Now you're sorry and
I'm so sorry to act as if I'm not seeing very well. Is that not you, ma?
Yes, that's true, ma. He is now a multi-millionaire. Have a nice day.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart.
Darling.
Yeah, sure.
I love you.
I love you too.
Darling. Will you marry me?
Yeah, who's there? Come in.
Darling,
Yes.
will you marry me?
Yes, I will. Sure. No woman in her right senses will reject your proposal. I'll marry you today, tomorrow and forever.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
You.
You've made me the happiest man on earth. Made my day, I'm so happy.
I'm happy too. Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, this is amazing. It's beautiful. Although it's a little bit big, but I like it. Thank you.
So you came into town and you never bothered to check on me. You just engaged my best friend before me. How wicked can you be, Chuma?
Bella, I am the same vomit you covered with sand 5 years ago. How is it going to sound to you?
Chuma, but we never broke up.
Really? We didn't, right?
Yes. I just wanted a break. We didn't break up.
And you think you're not done with the break? Is that what you're thinking? Oh, come on, Bella, come on. Don't remind me of all those nightmares, all those sleepless nights. Please, do not remind me that. Please.
I'm sorry,
anyway,
I still
babe,
love
come on.
you. Chuma,
I need to show you something.
You're full of surprises.
Come on. I need to show you something, okay?
Alright. Just lock up my door and drop the keys on the gate, man. Let's go. Chuma. Let's go. Chuma. Chuma. Chuma.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you.
Yes, Chuma.
Bella, I lost my boss yesterday.
Sorry about that.
Just that? You don't care to know why the company collected the boss from me?
Will you bring the boss back? You just heard me say I'm sorry about that.
Bella, you're talking to me, oh.
What do you want me to do?
start shedding tears because the company collected their boss.
Bella, this boss we are talking about fed us and provided for us for 6 years.
You see? I said it. That is why it is very, very bad to deal with illiterates like you. Must you remind me that that boss fed me for 6 years? Must you?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I reacted that way. Eh?
I am not surprised that you overreacted. That is what people of no class, illiterates, that is how they react. Excuse me.
I apologize, I'm sorry, but I know what I do. Anything they be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got the I love you, no tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you.
Chuma, what are you still doing here? Oh, okay. You want my neighbors to think I locked you outside, right?
Bella, do you know I lost my job yesterday? And I need you to console me. I haven't been paid for like a month now.
Okay.
And I have not eaten anything since yesterday.
Now, what do you want me to do?
Bella, do you have food in the house? Let me just...
Here, go out there and get yourself something to eat, okay? I'm late for work.
Bella, what is this? You now have a car, you never cared to tell me.
I don't have to blow my
Apologize, I'm sorry, but I know what I do. Anything it be, I did for ground, I'm sorry, forgive me. Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got the I love you, no tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the...
I mean, how do you think that a lawyer like me will settle for an illiterate bus driver like you? Hell no.
Eh? Bella, you said this to me.
Oh, please.
A man that fed you. A man that gave you life.
You gave me life. How? Are you the only person that trained someone in the university before? Are you? See, at times you need to talk with your senses. You're just an illiterate.
Bella, me, illiterate. You called me an illiterate.
I advise you go look for your class, okay? Please, stop bugging me.
Bella, it's okay, but it's very unfair. It's very, very unfair.
Have a nice day.
No problem.
Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love.
Yes, come in.
To jump with the hand of me, to sleep with the hand of me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love.
Chuma. What are you doing here? Why are you kneeling? What are you doing?
Baby, I can't breathe very well. I've searched my heart very well, but I couldn't find where I've wronged you.
Chuma, please, get up and leave. You're embarrassing me in my office. Please leave.
Baby, do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die?
Okay, if you want to die, fine, but go to your house. Go home and die, okay? Please, Chuma, please. Don't force me to call the security on you. Please.
Am I interrupting some?
Oh no, darling. You're not interrupting anything. Just some illiterate nuisance that do not know that this is an office.
Bella, that's too harsh.
Delia, please help me talk to her, please. Delia, I am shattered. I'm shattered.
Chuma, it's okay, just stand up.
No, don't get up. Stay there and be mewing like a cat. Don't leave. Get out. Go.
It's fine. That's the file of the 13-year-old girl that was raped at the barber shop. Take a look at it.
Okay, fine, but just get him out of here, please.
Chuma, can I have a word with you, please? Let's go.
Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got to how I love you, no tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do for me. Before you go, show me how to live without your love. I beg you, teach me how to live without your love. To jump with the hand in me, to sleep with the hand in me. You must teach me, cause I don't know how to live without your love. Baby, don't go. Show me how to live without your love.
Hey! What am I seeing?
Brother!
Oh, you can laugh. Welcome.
Look at you. How are you?
Brother, you're looking so good.
God has blessed me. Yes.
Is this your car?
This is one of my cars.
One of. Hey!
Brother, you mean you have many cars?
Yes.
I drive one.
Hey! I made a rasu. Sit down. As if I knew you were coming.
Yes, sir.
Hey! You need to eat something.
Yes, I will, Mama. Get down the things from the boat.
Okay, brother.
Let me go and serve you. I'll serve you myself, eh?
It's okay.
I'm pretending. Hey! Woman, Otago.
Hey.
You go and thank your uncle. He has been very kind to us.
I will go and see him. Meanwhile, I came to talk to both of you.
The only thing I want to hear now is that you are getting married.
And my admission too. Brother, I want to go to school.
Don't worry, I'm preparing something for you. I'm gonna get you, go to London. When you get there, you start schooling there.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
You see, in life I've come to a point to realize that it's all about forgiveness. And now that I want to settle down, I have to settle down with Bella.
Settle with who?
Bella.
Then what?
Over my dead body, brother. Brachuma, over my dead body. Did you hear what I said? Over my dead body, will I allow this happen?
It's not done, my son. It's not done anywhere.
These children.
It's not done, my son. It's not done.
See, I will never let it happen. I will never let Chuma marry that girl. She can never be a part of my family. She can't.
Ego, my love, I am still surprised. Yes. I don't understand why your brother will go back to a girl that made him pass through hell.
John.
He still wants to go and marry her. I think there's something wrong somewhere. That girl has gone spiritual.
Eh?
Yes.
Is it spiritual? See, let me tell you to tell her, in case you know her, that her spirituality has failed. You see that her juju? It has failed.
It's okay.
Where was she when my brother Chuma was going through hell?
It's okay. My love, calm down, okay? Relax.
Don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax.
You don't need to tear yourself up. I will come and talk sense into him. Just relax yourself.
You better do that though.
Okay.
You better talk to Chuma.
It's okay. Smile for me. It's alright.
Leave me alone.
Baby, it's your love.
Oh, leave me alone.
I'm even going to your house.
Why is your face like this? What's the problem?
Is it not Chuma? No, Chuma wants to kill me. Oh.
Chuma?
Hmm.
Is he back?
He's back in 9. And he's even planning to marry that evil girl.
Hey. It's okay. Come with me. Let us go to the house and sit down and talk.
Okay, man. The most painful one is that this same girl is the girl that left him for another man when he had nothing.
Chuma cannot be so stupid. Where is he now?
He's at home.
It's all right. You can go home. Huh?
Okay, nice.
I'll be coming to talk to him.
I'm grateful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let me be going, eh?
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Oh, bye-bye.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, you too.
Children of nowadays. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey! Where is Chuma?
He's inside.
Go and tell him I am here to see him. He should be able to listen to me.
I press so nice.
Uncle. He's not inside though.
Go to the backyard and check on him. He should be there.
Bro Chuma, Uncle Agumba wants to see you. Bro Chuma.
Ego.
Uncle.
Did you not tell him that I'm waiting here for him?
Uncle, I told him you were calling him, but he refused to say anything. I cannot drag him.
You will go back now and tell him that I am waiting here to talk to him. As a matter of fact, let us go. Let me go.
Go together. Stop one point. One point. Just move on.
Where is he?
He was sitting here. Here. Rachuma!
Try the door.
Rachuma, open the door!
Oh, so, Chuma, so it has gotten to the point of you locking yourself inside the house without wanting to talk to me?
What is it that I'm hearing?
Do I look like a child to you? That you have to query me on the road?
I was going to talk to you as a family.
Keep your family talk to yourself.
Chuma! Chuma!
So you heard I was around to talk to you and you left the house?
Uncle, that's not what happened.
Then what happened? Did you not hear my voice?
Uncle, I went inside to do Divine Mercy prayer. When I came out, you were gone.
Chuma, what did that girl give to you?
Uncle, if you will listen, I will tell you what I want to tell my mother. But she refused to listen.
Let me not hear stories that sound pleasing to the ears that I should follow you to go and marry that girl.
Uncle, I thought I played with you to listen to me.
Okay, talk.
Okay. For years now, I find it very difficult to forgive Bella. But now I want to settle down. I will want all of you to forgive her as I do.
Forgive her so that you can marry her?
So we can be free from sin of hate and unforgiving spirit.
And
I'll bring the woman I want to marry for all of you to see.
Is she not the woman you want to marry?
No, Uncle, no.
Now you are talking. You should have told your mother the same thing.
But she refused to listen to me.
That's okay. That's all right. Tell her I want to see her. No. I will go with you immediately.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
Let us go. Yeah.
It's better I end it all. I will never be alive to see Chuma bring that girl into this house. Over my dead body, should I allow that to happen?
Mama!
It's better I end it all. Let me end it now.
Mama, what are you trying to do? Leave me!
Let me kill somebody!
Let me die!
You know I suffered for you. I suffered for you.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay.
So that was what I wanted to say.
Should go straight to the point.
Brachuma, as for me, I am okay. As long as you're not bringing that, what's her name again? Bella or Bole, inside this house as your wife, I am very happy with you.
He's talking about forgiveness.
I have forgiven her.
Me too.
Because if she didn't act the way she did, you wouldn't have made it in this life.
Well, you are correct, but that is by the way. Chuma, we need to talk at home concerning Obi and Ego. Obi came to me to tell me that he's interested in marrying Ego before he travels abroad for his studies.
Uncle, well, that was supposed to be a surprise now.
But I don't like surprises.
Oh, it's okay. Let me get you something to drink.
Okay.
Uncle, I'm here to thank you for everything you've done for me. Oh, I appreciate everything. Okay? I am going to build you a new house and get you a new car.
Me?
Yes.
A new house?
Yes, sir.
And a car?
I'm here to appreciate you. You're a good man.
Oh! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
God will continue to bless you.
Bless you too.
Oh, thank you
Bless
very
you
much.
too.
Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.
Hey! Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. I used to feel your
Delia. Delia, please. Please, you can't do this to me. Please.
What exactly are you talking about?
Delia, you are going to marry my man. Delia, that is so unfair.
Your man. Who are you talking about? Chuma. The same man you dumped because of class differences? Oh, wait a minute. And now he is good enough to be called your man? Really?
Delia, please. You can't do this to me. I still love him.
Bella, I have always known you to be a befuddled human being. But please, I do not have time for this.
I can't bear to watch him in your arms. Please. You can't do this to me. I am your best friend.
Bella.
Please.
Bella.
Please, Delia, please.
Who's there? Come in. Oh my
baby.
Sweetheart.
So, how are you?
Well, I'm fine.
Guess what?
What?
Just guess.
Oh, come on. You know what? Wait a minute. You want another contract?
No.
Then what is it?
Okay, let me tell you. We are going to Germany for our wedding. Yes. A friend of mine, who is a reverend father, insisted that he will be the officiating priest on our wedding day.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Well.
Hi. Okay.
Well. Maybe I might just give you the good news over there.
Hey. Is that what I'm thinking of?
What are you thinking?
Are you pregnant? Oh my god. So I am going to be a father. This is so nice. Now, I have a surprise for you.
Wait, another surprise.
Come on, follow me.
Again?
Come on.
Okay, let me just give my
Come on.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye.
I need to go and see your mother.
See my mother. See my mother for what? She was here yesterday. You could have told her whatever you wanted to tell her yesterday.
See, Bella, we can't continue living as if I do not have the interest in making you my wife.
We don't have to go through this again. I just got a new job and I need to concentrate and...
And what? Are we not going to get married?
We never discussed marriage and I'm not ready to get married now. Good night. Delia and I have found an apartment.
You did? But you didn't tell me.
But I told you when I asked you for some money.
I thought the money was for something else.
Listen, you don't need to be scared. We can still live together.
You sent for me, sir.
Oh yes, please sit down. How are you?
I'm very well, sir.
There is a saying in my place that what you eat is what your mouth smells like. Did you say that young man is your fiancé?
Yes, sir.
How did you end up with him? I mean, you are too beautiful and intelligent to end up with such a man.
Sir, he's a nice man. Our story is a long one.
Story? People rewrite long stories to short ones for better appreciation and enjoyment. Look, I'm not saying you should ditch him or break his heart. All I'm saying is, go and think about it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you may leave.
I'm not going to allow this bother me.
Bella, what is it?
Nothing. I mean, I think Juma should go back to school. Yes. How do I introduce him to my friends and colleagues as my fiancé, let alone my husband?
Love has no class, Bella. I think I can sense what is coming. But my advice to you is that love conquers all. I mean, this boy could go back to school. But don't make him feel inferior in any way. Please.
Young man, are you alright?
How can I be alright when this thing is dealing with me?
Chuma, what are you doing here?
Why are you kneeling? What are you doing?
Baby, I can't breathe very well. I've searched my heart very well, but I couldn't find where I've wronged you.
Chuma, please, get up and leave. You're embarrassing me in my office. Please leave.
Baby, do you want to kill me? Do you want me to die?
Okay, if you want to die, fine. But go to your house. Go home and die, okay? Please, Chuma, please. Don't force me to call the security on you. Please.
Come
Am I interrupting some?
Oh no, darling. You're not interrupting anything. Just some illiterate nuisance that do not know that this is an office.
Bella, that's too harsh.
Dahlia, please help me talk to her, please. Dahlia, I am shattered. I'm shattered.
Chuma, it's okay, just stand up.
No, don't get up. Stay there and be mewing like a cat. Don't leave. Get out. Go.
It's fine. That's the file of the 13-year-old girl that was raped at the barber shop. Take a look at it.
Okay, fine, but just get him out of here, please.
Chuma, can I have a word with you, please? Let's go.
Nothing I talk, they change your mind. Just got down, I want love you, no tell me why. Before you go, there is one thing you must do.
I just need some seriousness in this job. When the time comes, we will live together, okay?
Bella, say, if you want, I can rent a comfortable and a bigger apartment for us. We don't need to live apart.
Why do I have to keep repeating myself to you? This is your house. You have tried for me. It is high time I left.
Yes, Bella.
No, please. No room for argument here. My mind is made up. First thing tomorrow morning, I'm packing into my new apartment. Good night.
Bella, it's your house too. We can live together.
You grubby husband thief.
How could you barge into my office premises to assault me? Have you gone nuts? I can sue you.
You have no shame at all.
Excuse me?
Excuse you? I should excuse you? Now let me have the car keys.
What car key exactly? Have you gone nuts? What is going on here? Madam, why
Look at these girls of these days. How could you put asunder what God has put together? Eh? You even dared to ask a question. Car key? No. Trailer key. Train key. Will you give her that key now, you husband snatcher?
What keys exactly?
Are you asking me that silly question? Let me have the car keys. Now listen and listen, God. This is the last warning I am going to give to you. Stay away from my husband. The next time I come here, you won't leave with your face like this. Excuse me.
Did you hear her? No. You didn't really hear her. Because by the time she's done with you, I'll put those pieces together and set them ablaze. Yes. So stop sleeping with her husband. Because it is evil to sleep with people's husbands. Do you know what you are? Ash. You want me to complete it? Well, then put it together. Nonsense.
What is going on? I don't know. It's as if I'm dreaming or in the movies. I don't know what is going on. Who is she?
What happened?
Oscar. How could you do this to me?
Do what to you?
Oscar. So you're married? What? Oh, Oscar, you're married.
No.
He's married?
No, see, there's a mix-up somewhere. I can explain these things. It's not what you think.
Oscar, you're married.
No! Let me see.
Don't touch me! Don't you dare touch me again! How could you be this heartless? How could you do this to me? Oh, goodness! Oh, my goodness! Oh, no!
See, this... Dahlia, see,
Just shut up!
It's okay.
No, it's not okay, Delia. It's not okay. I've been stupid.
This is an office. You can't do this out here.
I've been stupid.
Just shut up. What's wrong with you?
How could Oscar do this to me? How could he?
We will talk about this when we get home. Just don't do this out here, please. Let's go inside. It's okay. Just put yourself together. It's okay.
Can I at least
Can
console?
you just get lost already?
I want to console her.
Bella, it's okay. It's okay.
Oscar, and what are you still doing here? What are you still doing here? My friend, get inside so you can let's go. Get into the car now. I said get into the car.
Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for saying goodbye. You made me cry, but I never knew I would find someone much better than you. Thank you for breaking my heart. I used to feel your love was real. Now I know I was your fool. You played me like a game. Now you're so